Hello my friends, my name is Roman and welcome to the second part of the tutorial about array non-mutable methods. We will test another 4 methods for now. And the first one will be a method called find. With dot. So it will return for us the first element that pass the function, the condition of the function. So let's create variable and store to it the our array, for example numbers, and apply our method find, and as a parameter let's write the function anonymous function with element, and which return for us element that, for example, lower than 20. So, and here we will log the result, our variable function found, and let's look the result. And you see that here is our method, and it's the first element that lower than 20. Let's change the condition, for example, higher, and first element that higher than 20 is 25. So this is how works this method. Now let's check the original array, and it wasn't changed as we see. Okay, and another method we will test this findIndex. So with the same it returns for us element, not element but index of the element that is past this function. So I will show you on the example. So we have the same array numbers, and let's create the we can also copy this function. Let's copy all this all of this block part, and so find index of this method, and found index here, and index of find index, yes. And the same way we will get the only first element, found index, let's check, and the first element has a number 3, has an index 3 here because it's 25. The same if we will change, for example, the comparison operator, we will get 0 because it's the first element here. Okay, so it's and as we talk to for test, we see that it doesn't change the original element. So another very popular method is forEach. So how it works? It has a name, forEach. So it provides one function per each element here. So let's look at some example. Okay, we can also just inside of this function log the result. So we have the array numbers and apply forEach the method, and in the braces let's make the function which gets element and then return for us this element plus, for example, I'm from forEach method. Okay, and save it, and we see that we have first string, then second one, and all of these numbers got the same function. So it's it iterates each one by one and do some actions, do some operations with it. Okay, and this is how it works. So, and the last for this part method is a method called includes. It writes like this: includes. So what does it do? It returns for us boolean, and it gets the as parameter sum of the element which we want to find, and if it the array has this ML element, it will return for us true. If not, it will return for us false. So let's watch some example. Let's this array with fruits, for example. So log our array fruits, and we apply this method includes, and as parameter, for example, apple. We have got true because we have it here. Let's write banana. We have got also true. And if we will write here, for example, pumpkin, we will get false. It's because it doesn't consist of this element. Okay. So And also, as you see, for today that's all. Also, I just few notes. As you see, I just a little bit crop the preview, the window. It's because it's just for convenience. I guess it will be easier to read the results. Okay, so we will talk about next methods in the next lesson. For now, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.